Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
To play Pubg Mobile in a browser, first confirm system compatibility and network bandwidth. You need at least 5 GB RAM, a 4-core CPU, and 2 Mbps internet for stable browser play. Use a Chromium-based browser with WebGL2. 0 and hardware acceleration enabled, and update the GPU driver to the latest release. Confirm Windows 10 or Mac OS 10, 14 and 1. 8 GB free disk space before starting. Also check your browser is 64-bit and allow microphone and keyboard access when the web client requests permission for cloud input mapping. Open the official Cloud Play portal or authorized web client and sign in with your Pubg account, then accept WebRTC permissions for microphone and input. Open the session settings, select 1280x720 resolution and 60 FPS in the session settings for balanced performance, or choose 720p at 30 FPS to reduce bandwidth. Use wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and test ping. Keep latency under 80 ms for smooth controls. Choose keyboard and mouse mapping presets or import your saved bindings to match mobile layouts. Optimize performance by closing background apps and browser tabs. Close streaming apps and file sync services to free memory. Close background apps, allocate 4 CPU threads if prompted, and enable hardware acceleration for best responsiveness. Lower in-game textures to medium and set anti-aliasing off to keep stable frame delivery, and disable 3D shadows to reduce GPU load. If audio or input lags, refresh the session. Clear browser cache or switch to a wired connection. For persistent issues, update the browser, test another Chromium build, or contact the cloud service support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.